Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's episode, I want to walk you through what I think I've discovered as the easiest way to get your sketches, your art, your drawings, your inks, your paintings, whatever it is, into a 3D program such as Blender and printed. I'm going to be using, newsflash, shocker, some AI programs that I've discovered along the way and show you a little bit of my workflow that's gotten me from a drawing and a clay sculpture to a finished plastic product that I can put on my desk, use as a reference in my art, and make my graphic novel a little bit better. So yeah, all right, let's get into it. All right, so this whole thing started when I made this clay sculpture of Shora a few months ago. She's huge, bulky. I didn't mean it. Not like that. Anyway, I can't get this any further because this clay never dries. So it just got me thinking, like, I bet there is a better way to sculpt. And again, I didn't know this was never drying clay, but it's okay, I learned. This actually is. So this is fully cured. I could paint it, but I just knew I couldn't go any further with this method. So I do what I always do. I went to ChatGPT and Google and Pinterest, and that's what I found. So this is just a really in-depth kind of look into my below zero kind of backlog. I took pictures of the clay model. I asked Chat to create a 4-square image, which it did. And I was able to bring this 4-square image to show front, side, back to back into Meshy. All right, so now we're in Meshy. Here's the workspace, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how that worked out. This was the first one. This is so sad. This was the first one that it prompted, and I was like, that ain't it, you know, that's not the character of Shora. Then the next few, her neck was just extremely long and ridiculous and just didn't look good. But this is the prompt that it brought me from this one. So I just kept refining, kept going until finally we got to this image here. And this is the one that I felt most embodied Shora from the book. There's several scenes in here that just gave me an idea of like who Shora was, how strong she had to be, how kind of powerful. So I used, like I said, just a combination of the sketches of her, the clay model, and ChatGPT to just get those where I needed them to be. So this is inside Blender. This is the exported Meshy file that we were able to get. Pretty cool. And then I just exported this once I made some of those tweaks, you know, like made her mouth kind of frown more a little bit. And here it is, the finished product. You can see the plastic prints next to the hand sculpted kit bashed gun bear that I've been working on. Really appreciate the way these came out. I'm going to be using these so much in the coming weeks just to finish up some panels, draw in characters, and all kind of stuff. So another huge shout out to my friend Miko who works with me for doing this. He just charged me the price of the resin and was like, and he mailed them to me. So I couldn't be more excited to have these just sitting on my desk. It actually feels real now. It's going from an idea to this is a real world coming to life, which is such an amazing feeling. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you learned something, and stay tuned. There's more to come. Thanks, y'all.